Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time at the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from the United States. What is it? Well, it's something interesting. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Cool. So check this out. This is a product from a company called Pure Tradition Foods, and this is a noodle that is made from egg whites. And I saw it online, and I had to contact the company, and they were happy to send some samples. I just thought it was just like really fascinating. It comes in kind of a liquidy looking suspension. And literally what the guy who started the company told me is that all you have to do is basically heat it up. It's like it's all ready to go. But yeah, these noodles are made out of egg whites. What a weird thing. They kind of look like a standard gauge. Here, check it out. You can kind of... Come on, focus. Focus in there. There, see? So there's this one. This is the ramen style, and then here we have the vermicelli, and yeah, it's a thinner. Come on, focus. It's a much thinner noodle, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying this. They're keto friendly. It looks like the whole package is. Yeah, 1 serving per container, calories, 45 calories. So it says ready to eat, just drain off excess water and fold into your favorite stir fry soup or sauce and warm. So yeah, interesting. Well, cool. Thank you very much to the folks over at Pure Traditions Foods for sending this over. I'll put a link to where you can get this stuff. I believe it's on Amazon. I think that's where I originally saw it. I think. But yeah, this one I'm looking forward to trying. I may have already put images of what it looks like actually, the way I prepared it. And yeah, so something new to try. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.